Guys. Anyway, we're kind of running out of time. So, on to the next award. If we had the Weaver Hair Award, we also have an Aphrodite Award.
Ang pinaka-tuloks ng tao sa band.
So our first nominee,
Sigurati. Yeah. Our second nominee is
Ian Fernandez. Third nominee.
Isa.
And our final nominee, and the winner is this is the second award for the night. Please come on stage and get your award. If you'd like to say something.
Iyan. Masabi mo sa nanay mo, 2 award mo sa graduation ball. Papatuloy na rin sa kwarto mo ulit. Kasi may 2 award ka na yun.
So let's give it up again for Ian Peralta.
Lalo na dun sa table na yun, mga nangiinis sa akin ang last ng trip niya. Salamat sa pag-trip niyo ngayon. May award na ako.
Our next hair award, the Everest Award, and basically this goes to the person with the tallest hair.
As long as the person na may pinakamaraming ginagamit na bench fix sa isang linggo. Our nominees. Chris Wick.
Our next nominee,
George Chua.
Pangit!
third nominee,
Arts Jelly.
and our last one.
Martin.
And the winner is
George.
George Chua. Here's the second award. Here's the second award. Where is he? There's George. Wait, we're not anymore.
George. Bilang si George, special talaga buhok niya ito eh. Overnight kami, pag gising niya, ganyan pa rin buhok niya. Pag swimming kami, pag ahon niya, ganyan pa rin buhok niya. Hindi ko maintindihan.
That's a true story.
Yes.
George, pose!
Chicho.
Thank you.
Our next it's not a hair. The joke goes to the back person in the back. So our nominees are our next nominee,
Ano? Na-Dragon Warrior daw si Poe. Na-Dragon Warrior. Our third nominee, Toby.
No picture of his... Bakit you only have...
and our fourth nominee.
Yak, may boner!
And our winner is
Davian.
Diego Nanchulin.
Checo,
Right here.
good to see you.
That's Diego.
Ayan, oh, yes. Ayan na, nagka-jogging pa eh. Flex. Ayan.
Do you want?
Compare lang guys, yung biceps ni Diego, ay kakatulad natin sa thighs na ni James. So, ganun talaga kapatak si Diego.
So para sa parents ko na sinabing walang kwenta mag-push-ups at mag-aaral na lang ako. Look at me now.
Well said. So before we go on to our next awards, we're going to have another performance